From the venomous reptile to the life-saving peptide analog, our process ensures precision at every step.
The Heloderma Suspectum requires precise care. Here we see the automated feeding system delivering a specialized diet.
Automated sensors monitor the precise atmospheric composition, ensuring optimal biological stability.
Heloderma transport on schedule. Vitals stable.
Acknowledged. Notifying intake.
Assessment complete. The specimen is biologically stable and ready for collection.
The cryogenic vials are automatically dispensed and indexed onto the chilled tray, ensuring immediate preservation and stable.
The clarified supernatant is robotically drawn and passed through micropore sterile filters, ensuring the solution is
The resulting chromatogram confirms the peptide solution is highly concentrated, meeting the rigorous purity standards for Process A.
The purified Exendin 4 solution is pumped through the tangential flow filtration system, concentrating the peptide and
The control panel displays the complex pressure and temperature curve, ensuring the drying profile is consistent across the
The robotic synthesis system initiates the coupling sequence, adding dissolved amino acids based on the Gila Monster template.
The synthetic peptide powder is dissolved and pumped through massive chromatography columns, separating the target peptide.
Multiple detectors monitor the elution of the synthetic exendin 4 analog.
The large volume of purified peptide solution is fed into
The robotic seeding process introduces the synthetic peptide crystals, initiating the controlled crystallization of the final drug substance in process B.
The crystallization vessel is slowly rotated and cooled, allowing the white crystals to grow to a consistent size and shape.
The slurry of synthetic peptide crystals is pumped into a massive automated filter press, separating. A critical biological safety test is performed on the final white synthetic peptide powder, checking.
The synthetic peptide, Heloderma Suspectum, is transferred from the milling system into bulk containers. This massive
Initiating transfer of the suspectum peptide.
Airlock pressurized. Proceed with delidding under laminar flow. The clear, colorless drug solution is pumped through a series of absolute sterile filters, 0.2 microns.
The injection pens are automatically capped and hermetically sealed, followed by a protective plastic casing.
The towering racks symbolize the successful large-scale transformation of the Gila Monster peptide structure, fully concluding the manufacturing of Process B.
Approved. Consistency check passed.
The departure of the Heloderma Suspectum shipment marks the salute of conclusive B manufacturing.
The temperature indicator is good on the GLP-1 agonist shipment.
Excellent. I will scan these into the system immediately.
Derived from the Gila Monster peptide structure, Product B is meticulously organized by robotic automation.
Here is your prescription. It's temperature sensitive, so keep it in the fridge. The dosage is clearly marked here on the pen.
Okay, thank you very much.
I really do. Product B has made such a difference, and I feel completely free.
It's wonderful seeing you so vibrant, truly.
Thanks to the synthetic peptide, Mrs. Akari enjoys sustained energy and mental clarity, returning to the hobbies she loves.
Derived from the Heloderma Suspectum, this synthesized peptide is now delivering global impact through a rigorous industrial process.